Hello guys, this is Preeti, your friend, astrologer, tarot card reader, film specialist, and intuitive coach. Today I'm presenting a video on whether your person truly in love with you or not, or you are having any sort of notion that this person loves you. So there are three files lying in front of you. This is first file with with red nail polish. This is red nail polish, or you can say it as you can take it as orange nail shade. I'm wearing this on my nails. See. So this is first pile. This is second pile with pink nail polish. See, this is the color. This is third pile with glittery effects with red glittery nail polish. So you can choose intuitively out of these three. You can choose more than one pile, or if you want to see the whole video, it's your choice. It's completely your choice. So this is first pile with red nail polish. You can choose by numbers as well, or you can choose from colors or from nail shade, whatever is your favorite color, whichever is your favorite color. So this is first pile with red nail shade. This is second pile with pink nail shade, and this is third with the glittery effect. So I'm giving you a few seconds. I want you to choose intuitively. Meditate for 2 or 3 seconds before choosing your pile. Then we will start your reading. I'll start this reading by two. I hope that you have chosen your pile. So let's get started. Let's see first pile first. Guys, I'm having throat infection. Kindly bear with my throat, my voice. If you are not able to understand what I'm trying to say, please rewind this video or please watch this video again. You'll get to know what I'm trying to say if you guys having any sort of problem in understanding what I'm trying to say. So, guys, this person really loves you, and this person actually feels very passionate about you. He wants any kind of sexual intimacy with you, or he's sexually attracted with you. When I saw your card, when I see your card, I feel that this person is actually attracted with you, but this person also want victory in this relationship. That means this person really this person is in love with you, and this person wants victory in this relationship. It is a possibility that your family are not sorry, your family is not ready for this relationship. Your family is not ready, or this person is having any kind of career issues or wealth issues. But whatever is your situation, whatever is the problem, this person now wants victory in this relationship because he wants passionate beginning with you. He feels sexual intimacy towards you. He's sexually attracted towards you, and he really loves you. He wants new beginning in this connection. If you guys have had breakup in the past, or if you guys are in no contact situation, or if you guys having any sort of third party situation in this relationship, definitely this person is coming out of that situation, and this person now wants victory in this relationship. This person sees you as your as his or her matlab spouse. If the girls are watching my video, definitely this person sees you um, as your wife, as his wife. And if you are male, you are my male viewers watching this video, definitely your female wants your females are seeing all the qualities which she wants in her spouse. So definitely this person really attracted towards you and want a passionate beginning with you. um, Not only passionate beginning, but definitely he or she wants to create family with you, and wants you to be their spouse, because Empress also tells about pregnancy. If you guys are comfortable in having a sexual relationship with that person, please make sure that you are taking precautions, because there are high chances of pregnancy. So please do take care about this thing. And one more thing, This person sees that this person are seeing that you consist of all the qualities. You are abundant, you are well established, you are very nurturing, caring, you are family oriented person, and you have all the qualities which that person are looking for in their spouse. See, Empress and marriage. And your cards are very beautiful. First, those who have chosen first spiral red nail paint, your cards are very beautiful, and God bless you both. And congratulations, guys. Your person really in love with you. He wants victory in this relationship. He wants new beginning in this relationship, and he wants to create family with you, even if you are of same sex, or you guys are you are my male viewer or female viewer. This person really loves you and wants having married life with you. And if you in the past this guy is facing any sort of obstacle, or you guys are facing any sort of obstacle in this relationship, this person definitely coming out of that situation, that third party situation, whatever that is, that was. And this person definitely, or if he still is in third party situation, definitely this person will come out of this situation and will create victory with you in this relationship, and new beginning is coming for you. So, guys, if you are having any sort of doubt whether this person loves you or not, definitely this person loves you and he daydreams about you. So, these are my tarot cards, and these are my. Let's see what keeper's cards are saying about this person's feeling, whether he or she truly loves you or not. It is a possibility that this person is wearing a false mask in this relationship. It is a possibility that this person is hiding his or her true feelings from you, or he was hiding true feelings. He or she was hiding true that he or she is hiding their true feelings from you. They are wearing a false mask on their face. They're not expressing their feelings. They are very secretive towards you. Or it is a possibility that both of you are not revealing your true feelings towards each other, or hiding your true feelings towards each other, or you guys are wearing a false masks and not revealing your true feelings towards each other, because mm it is a possibility that you were asking about commitment from this person, and this person was not giving that commitment to you in the past. That's why you started hiding your feelings towards that person, and you guys are mirroring each other. So if this is the case, definitely this person is now take off his or her mask and will express their feelings towards you. And definitely this person daydreams about you, as I've told you earlier as well. This person really thinks about you a lot and daydreams about you a lot. And he whenever whatever he's doing, whether he's painting, working in office, resting, 24/7, you are on this person's mind, and this person always thinks about you or daydream about you. It is a possibility that you guys are from different caste culture background, and your families are not ready for this relationship, or this person was not ready in the past for this relationship. Or it is also a possibility that this guy can be a judge or a lawyer, or maybe he is in a profession which is related to any sort of justice. Maybe he's related to any sort of justice field, like or he's a justice loving person. Or is a possibility that if you guys are from different caste culture background, or from different cities, town, village, or different countries, you guys will end up doing court marriage if your family will not get ready. Definitely this person wants to create family with you, because this is another card of family. See the synchronicities. This is family too. So definitely this guy definitely wants to create family with you, and he's coming out of any whatever the problem is in this relationship. He's coming out of that situation. He's coming out of third party situation, and this is the confirmation that you guys will end up marrying each other, and definitely this person wants to create family with you. But guys, see, let me clarify you one thing. These are energies which I'm reading for you. Today, if today this guy is ready and happily wants to create family with you, and we're feeling very passionate about you, but the circumstances, our life circumstances keep on changing. So accordingly our energy gets keep on changing. So please get in touch with him and try to understand what is his situation, because today he's ready, and uh, maybe after 2 3 days or after a week or after a month this person changes his mind or his energy changes. So keep watching my videos and get keep eye on that person's energy, because it is your life as well. Don't just rely on what tarot cards are saying. You have to keep in touch with that person as well, what his state of mind, what he's thinking about you, and what he's saying, because tarot cards are predicting your life. Tarot cards are just predicting your life, and I'm not saying that tarot cards are false or telling anything false. Tarot cards are 90% accurate and 95% accurate. But I want you to, in real, in physical, I want you to meet that person and I want you to take this relationship to a next level. And please try to create friendly relationship with that person. Try to understand his situation. Try and make him understand your state of mind. Then only your relationship will grow. And what today I'm seeing that persons are not having patience. People are not having patience, and um, if you guys having any sort of argument or fight, you guys just broke up with each other and just move on. For understanding each other and for creating a healthy relationship, you need to understand one another. And if somebody is shouting and yelling on you or fighting or arguing with you, maybe he's having any sort of financial problem or family issues, or maybe any sort of work problem or family is pressurizing, any sort of third party situation, whatever it is. Please try to understand that person's situation and don't take decisions in very don't take fast decision, and don't show anxiety towards because this is your life and you are taking life decisions. You are trying to marry someone, you are trying to spend your whole life with someone. So do not just take decisions according to tarot readings, or just analyze whole thing. It's your life. Tarot cards are reading. I know that tarot card. I'm a tarot card reader, and I know that 94% accuracy is there in the tarot card readings. But I want you to physically meet that person, grow this relationship, take this relationship to next level, and then decide. Trying to understand that person's intention towards you, whether what this person actually wants out of this relationship, and what to make him understand that what him or her, that what you want out of this relationship. Because this is the Secretarian Tarot, and Secretarian Tarot are saying that this person is very secretive. In the past, this person was hiding his or her true feelings. As I've told you even earlier, that this person was wearing a false mask, or maybe he or she is hiding their true feelings towards you in the past. Or it is also a possibility that this person is having very secretive nature. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that I guess you are dealing with someone who's having water in their chart, strong water energy, what Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. So, guys, this person, or maybe he's having you on either you or your person is having Cancer energy in their chart very strong, or you and your person are Cancer ascendant. So this person is very secretive in nature. This person hides a lot from you. Maybe he's having that nature of hiding things from people. He don't or he's having a hard time expressing his feelings towards you. But he's coming out of this situation, this energy, and this is a destined connection. Definitely, you guys may be having past life relationship, or uh, you guys are soulmate or twin flame. It is also a possibility that you guys dream about that person a lot, or you guys are in telepathy connection with each other. Or it is also a possibility that you guys complete each other's sentences, or you are seeing any sort of mm, numbers as in you guys are seeing repetitive numbers. Maybe 6666 you are seeing a lot, or 333 you are seeing a lot. And there are certain dates which can be important for you. 17th, 18th can be important for you. Maybe you guys having your birthday on this date, or anniversary on this date if you guys are married already. Or it is also a possibility that you guys having your relationship anniversary on this date, or you guys having birthday on this date, or you guys met on this date. So these dates, please listen to these dates carefully, and maybe any of these dates are important for you. So 17 is the date, 18 number is there, 6 and 4, 21 is there, 16 is there, 30 is there, or maybe it is a possibility that you guys are of this age. 30, 21, 16, 8 is there, 3, 10, 6 again, 6 is coming again, 3. So these are the dates, guys, which can be important for you. So guys, this is first pile. I'm done with first pile. Now I'm moving to the next pile. So guys, God bless you. Those who have chosen first pile, God bless you both. And I wish that you guys will create family with each other soon and will end up marrying each other. And guys, if you guys end up marrying this person, please let me know, and please invite me in your marriage. I'll be more than happy. So guys, let's move to next pile and let's see what is second pile. What our second pile is saying about your personal energy. So those who have chosen this pile, the second nail polish, let's see what are your person energy towards you, whether he or she truly loves you or not, or whether he or she will take action towards you or not. So, guys, you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, and definitely water energy is there. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Few people are dealing with Aries, specifically Aries is coming. So definitely you guys may be having Aries, strong Aries in your chart, or you guys are born in the month of April, or you're dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Aries, especially Pisces, earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or you having a strong Virgo in your birth chart. Mm, Hermit, Virgo, especially Virgo, those who having Virgo in their chart, Leo, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn is there as well. So guys, let's start your reading. So what I'm seeing is that this person is in hermit mode. This person, it is a possibility that this person is not talking with you, or you guys are in no contact situation, and this person thinking a lot about this relationship, or it is also a possibility that this person is having some issues going on in his or her life, like maybe career issues, maybe any sort of job issues, family issues, or maybe he has not treated you, he had not treated you well in this relationship in the past. Now he's thinking a lot about his or her behavior towards you. That person is feeling very guilty. Let me clarify this card. Spirits, please clarify hermit card. Hermit. Um, Maybe this person is having anxiety issues, or this person is hiding his true feelings towards you, or it is also a possibility that this person is having very secretive nature. One more card, spirits. I want to clarify this person's energy. Yes, definitely. This person hiding that this person consider you as his or her soulmate, or this person is having a fear of separation from you, or maybe this person has not treated you had not treated you well in the past. So this person is having that guilt feeling is killing him inside, or this person, maybe this person is hiding that this person is truly attracted towards you, or want to exchange his or her cup of love with you. It is also a possibility that you guys are from different culture background, or you guys are from different areas, like different city, town, village, or different countries. Or if you guys are from same city, town, village, definitely you guys are totally different from each other. It is a possibility that there is a combination. What I'm seeing is the combination of fire and water. So it is a possibility that you are guys having strong Leo in your birth chart, or this person is having strong water energy, especially Pisces in in his birth chart. Guys, this connection is really divine connection, and it is a possibility that you guys are soulmate, twin flame, or or angels are protecting this relationship. See, and Temperance is also cards of angels. See, there are angels wings here and angel wings here as well. So definitely angels are protecting this relationship. Whenever you had fight or whenever you had any sort of argument or separation, definitely divine intervention, divines will come in between and intervene in this relationship and guide both of you for coming towards each other. Or if you guys are in separation, definitely divine is playing their low role in keeping you separate, because whenever you guys come together, you guys had argument or maybe fight with each other. Or if this is not the case, definitely uh, whenever guys have argument or doubt about each other, or whenever that person get into third party situation or you get into third party situation, divine intervene in this relationship and wakes you up and make you realize that this person is the perfect match for you, or you are made for each other, and you guys are counterparts. So guys, definitely angels are protecting this relationship. So you are, don't need to worry about the whether this person loves you or not. If you guys having doubt whether this person really loves you or not, definitely this person loves you. He or she wants to exchange his or her cup of love with you. And if this person has not revealed his true feelings towards you, definitely this person will reveal his feelings, because divine is intervening in this relationship, and divine definitely will make him realize that you are the one for them. So our question is that whether this person really loves you or not. Definitely he's having love feelings for you, because you are dealing with the Pisces, and Pisces is the water sign, and water represents love, because here in tarot cups represent waters, and cup means cup of love. This person is holding his or her cup of love in his hand. If this person is hiding his true feelings towards you, or if he or she didn't propose you yet, definitely this person will soon propose you, because see, here, this person is holding his cup of love in his hand and not sharing with anyone, because but he's having feelings. His cup of love is filled with emotions and love and care. This person is very nurturing, loving, but this person is hiding these things from you. But definitely in the future, this person will exchange his or her cup of love with you, because here in this photo, I hope you are seeing, because in the second photograph, in the second tarot cards, we are seeing that these person, both of these are exchanging their cup of love with each other, and divines are having their back. Divines are intervening in this relationship. Divine, if whosoever you are dealing with, if he or whether you are of same gender sex, or whether you are dealing with a man or a women, this divine definitely make that person realize that you are their counterpart, you are their perfect match, and this is a destined connection. Please don't have any sort of doubt about this relationship, or doubt about this person's intention, because this is a destined connection. And see, what kind of a proof do you want that this is a destined connection? See, I'm having three cards on my table, and all of these cards, angels are protecting and angels are having your back. In here as well, angels are protecting this relationship. In this card as well, temperance is the card of balance. If this relationship was out of balance, definitely due to divine intervention, balance is coming in this relationship, and this person will see your true will really reveal his true feelings towards you, and balance is coming in this relationship. And this is a destined connection. Here as well, this meeting this person is your destiny. It is also a possibility that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you guys having a strong Aquarius in your birth chart. So guys, please don't worry about this person. this person's true feelings. If this person is hiding his feelings and not revealing his true feelings, definitely he's having some sort of problem. Or mm, not problem, that what I'm seeing is this person is hiding his feelings because this person is really focused on his career right now. See, this person is focused on his career right now, and this person is, maybe he's pushing you back or not revealing his true feelings, or maybe he's not in contact with you, or maybe he's hiding his feelings from you. If you guys are talking with each other, or you guys are in talking terms, this person definitely talking very less and hiding his feelings, because this person definitely know that you are his or her counterpart, and he's tension free, because you are not going anywhere, he's not going anywhere. And that is why this person is right now more focused on his career, because he or she is wants to be in authoritative position. He or she wants to be in authoritative position, and if this person is already on authoritative position, if he's a CEO, manager, doctor, engineer, or he's in army, military, or in any sort of field related to justice, or he's your boss, uh, I don't know, I'm just reading your cards. Maybe whosoever he is, maybe he's having lots of work pressure on going on in his life, or maybe he's working and studying as well. Maybe he's doing double shifts. Maybe he's because of COVID, he's really pressurized and handling his jobs. Um, Whatever is the situation, he's more focused on his career right now. Or maybe he's trying, if he's a student, if you are dealing with a student, maybe he is more focused on taking his career to a next level. He wants to be something and someone in his life. He wants balance, he wants stability, and that is why he's working on his pentacles right now. And that is why, even after knowing that you guys are destined to meet, and you guys are soulmate twin flame, because it is for a few of you, it is also a possibility that you guys are past life lover, or you guys are childhood friends, and now you grew up and having feelings for each other, and now you are in love with each other. For few selective group of people, this is also a possibility that you guys are twin flame soulmates, or past life lovers. And three of you, you guys are childhood friends, and now you grow up and having feelings for each other, and you guys are really in love with each other, with each other. And even after knowing that you guys are soulmate twin flame, and angels are protecting your relationship, this person is hiding his feelings, because he knows that he's very emotional, he's very uh, he don't want to be vulnerable in this relationship, because he knows his weakness. He What I'm seeing is that he's having a weakness of getting inclined or fixated on a particular person. That is why he's just pushing you back and keeping you on arm length, because he don't want to get indulged in a serious committed relationship right now, because he's more focused on his career. And if this person get indulged with you, or um, take this relationship to a next level, his focus will go haywire, and he will be more focused on you rather than his career. And his career is very important for both of you. If you want to marry that person, definitely his or her career is very important. So please get ready and prepare yourself as well. If this person is focused on your work, on his or her work, and he wants to be an authoritative position, and or if he's already on this authoritative position, please you I will suggest you to be on his level, so that when you guys are ready, you will not get any sort of problem from his or her family side, or from your family side. You guys, when you guys are on both pages, you will definitely, your families will agree for this relationship, and community will also agree for this relationship, and you guys will also be happy that you guys are earning well and having very good status, and now leading a very good life. So guys, I just make you understand that please focus on yourself, and please focus on your career as well, because this person is right now focused on his career, and let him study, let him focus on his career, and maybe when he get established and when he get ready, he will come back to you and will marry you. So you need to be patient, and please provide him time, give him some time and space, and trust this relationship, trust this person, because this person is not going anywhere. If he will get into any third party situation, if any girl or any guy is coming in this relationship, in between this relationship, or any family is coming in this relationship, definitely no one is going to spoil this relationship and connection, because this is a destined connection, and angels are protecting you and having your back. And see, as I've told you earlier, uh, tarot card readings are 95%, 90 to 95% accurate. So, guys, congratulations to you. This person definitely truly in love with you. But please give him time because this person is hiding his feelings purposely. And if he or she is expressing, definitely he's not expressing that much, and he's or she is not not taking this relationship to a next level because he or she is feeling stuck, and he's more focused on his career right now. Let's see what Keeper's card is saying about this relationship. What else you want to know? See, here this person is focused on his career. Here as well, this person is focused on his career. This person is going through toil and labor. Definitely, this person is more focused on his career right now, and he or she is having feelings, true feelings towards you, but not revealing because he don't want to get emotional. He don't want to get indulged into a serious relationship right now because this will create a problem for this person. You will get emotional. You guys will talk for long hours, and this then his career will get into dustbin, and will spoil his career. He or she will spoil their career for you. So please provide that person time, and please be understanding, and please trust this relationship. If you constantly doubt about this person and doubt about this person's energy, definitely this things will manifest and come back to you. So please be positive, please stay grounded, and please be understanding. Definitely, this person wants to provide you any sort of gift or commitment. As I've told you earlier as well, this person is focusing on stability because he wants to be a provider. This person wants to be a provider. This person is focused on his career because he wants to gift you something. Maybe gift he or she will meet you or provide you some gift, some small sort of a gift, maybe chocolate or some kind of girlish gifts. If you are a girl watching this video, definitely your person will give you some girlish things. Or if you are a female watching this video, definitely uh, sorry, male watching this video, definitely your female will gift you something, whatever you like, but this will be a surprise gift. So this person, he or whether he or she or whether same gender sex, this person needs time. This person needs to focus on his career first. Also, for a selective group of people, what I'm seeing is that you guys are from different caste, culture, background, and he's worried that if he or she will not concentrate on his or her career, definitely his family will not be ready for this relationship. That is why he's hurting you and ignoring this relationship, even after knowing that he or she really loves you, or you this guys this is a divine relationship and you guys are soulmate, because he or she knows that if this person, if they concentrate on you, or will on concentrate in taking this relationship to a next level, this guy will not be that focused on his career, and career is more important. Only that their family gets ready for this relationship. It is also a possibility that you are a mature woman. He or she is less mature, or you are more mature, more understanding, and more loving, more giving in this relationship. Or it is also a possibility that you are elder than this person. He is he is younger than you, or you are elder than that person, or you are more mature and understanding and more loving, more giving in this relationship, and this person is not that understanding. He's not that mature, and he's taking this relationship very casually. But now uh, balance is coming in this relationship, and he will definitely reveal his feelings to you. It is also a possibility that you guys met online, or you guys are in long distance relationship, or this person is working in an organization where traveling is involved. Maybe he's a trader, he's a sailor, he's in army where traveling is involved, or he is in navy where traveling is involved, or he's a pilot where traveling is involved, or he travels a lot for his work, or maybe you guys met online, maybe you're on any social networking app or any dating app or any matrimony. Or there's also a possibility that this guy will travel to your city or your town, your country, and then you guys will meet each other, or you will travel towards that person, then only you'll meet. that person, or it is also a possibility that if you guys are from different cities, state, and town, village, definitely you guys meet each other by traveling towards each other. Even if you are in same city, you guys are at a distance where you guys need to travel towards each other for meeting each other. So definitely this person will reveal his or her feeling very soon, because his cup of love is overflowing and he wants to exchange his or her cup of love with you. But he or she needs time, so you need to be patient enough and try to understand this person's situation, guys. Definitely, this person wants to create family with you. He wants marriage. Both of these cards jump out automatically. When I was shuffling these cards, these cards came out automatically. This person wants to create family with you, and this person definitely wants kids with you. So, guys, congratulations. If you want to see for pile number one, you can also watch pile number one, because I'm seeing lots of similarities in both these piles. So, if you want to see first pile, you can also see first pile as well. Definitely, this person wants to marry you and wants to create family with you. So please give him time. Don't fight. Don't doubt this connection. Don't argue with that person. Don't uh, you know uh, pinpoint his mistakes. And please give each other's time and understand each other. So let's see what Sacred Indian Tarot cards are saying about this relationship. If you guys are in separation, or you guys having any sort of fight or tower movement, it was because you were in karmic situationship in the past, karmic situation in the past, and maybe it is also a possibility that if this is not the case, definitely this guy is feeling very passionate about you. Maybe he is sexually inclined towards you, or sexually attracted towards you, because you are very beautiful and you are having all the qualities of Empress. And Empress is also a card, is also a card of five. It represents five in the tarot cards. Definitely, this person wants to make family with you and wants you to be his wife. See what all you need, what confirmation you want me to give to you. Definitely, this person really loves you, and but he's hiding intentionally. He's hiding his feelings because purposely. So please provide that person time. Definitely, this person wants to marry you one day, and this person wants to take a leap of faith with you. Maybe it is a possibility that he was acting like a fool in this relationship in the past. He was behaving like an idiot to you, towards you, or he is behaving like an idiot to you, but he is doing this purposely, because he don't want to get vulnerable with you. And if this is not the case, definitely new start is coming in this relationship, new beginning is coming in this relationship, and this person will definitely give justice to you. As I've told you even earlier, that I am thinking that this person is related to uh, is a justice loving person, or this person may be working in an organization where he is an authoritative position. Definitely, you'll get justice in this relationship with this person, and justice is coming for you. So, guys, congratulations. And yes, definitely, your person loves you. So, if you guys like my reading, please subscribe my channel. Do like my videos, comment below my videos, and let me know whether things are resonating with you or not. I'll be more than happy, because if I'm reading your card and things are resonating with you, that and if you are guys are telling me that definitely yes, this situation matches with your situation, this gives me lots of happiness, that at least I'm doing some good deeds for people. I'm helping them out in sorting out their problems and relationships issues. So guys, good night and take care. So let's move to our next file. Let's see what are their person's energy. So third file time is 39:22. Guys, I'll put your reading time in the timestamp on the description box or in the comment section. Please go and watch there. Okay. So I guess file 3. I guess you guys are dealing with a fire sign, or definitely lots of fire. I think that you guys are dealing with a fire sign, or Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, especially Virgo. So, guys, those of choosing this pile, you guys have fight with this person, or you guys are your families are not ready for each other. Maybe your families are fighting with each other, or your families are not ready for this relationship, and you are having fight with your family about this person, or both of you are fighting with your families for each other, because your families are not ready for this relationship. Whatever is your situation, please keep it and ignore the rest of the things. So maybe your families are not ready, or you guys having fight with each other, and this person is feeling very burdened. Maybe he's having any sort of tension, or maybe it is a possibility that this person is having any sort of fight argument in in his or her office, or let me clarify this card. Spirits, please clarify Five of Wands. Definitely, this person is very angry from you, and this person, you guys having fight with each other, and this person is feeling very burdened now. This person is very upset, and this person is very feeling very burdened now, and this person is in hermit mode. Sorry, in this person is in high priestess. It is a possibility that you guys are dealing with someone who's having very intuitive personality, who's having a high intuition, but this person is going through a lot. This person is having lots of burden. Maybe after separating from you, he's feeling very burdened that whatever is done in the past, whatever is done in the past was not good, and he's feeling very burdened. What he did towards you, what argument you had, and he's keeping any. I guess he's keeping all these feelings and all these grudges inside, and feeling very burdened about this relationship. Let me clarify. Anxiety issues. Definitely this person is going through anxiety issues, and maybe he's not sleeping well at night. I don't know what burdens he's having. Maybe he's having maybe you guys are having fight with each other, and that is why this person is feeling burdened. But this person is also having very anxiety, that what kind of a behavior he had for you, or how he treated you, and maybe it is a possibility that you were asking for commitment from this person, or maybe he's in third party situation, and you get to know about this person's third party situation, and that is why you had fight with each other. And um, after you broke when you broke up with each other, or you get in you guys in no contact situation, and you blocked that person or ghosted that person, or he or she ghosted you. Definitely, after doing all this stuff, he's now having anxiety issues, and he's not sleeping well at night. Definitely, you guys had breakup and going through a breakup right now. But that doesn't mean that you guys will never meet each other again. Definitely, will meet each other, and a new beginning is coming in this relationship. But this person is going through a lot, and he's not sleeping well at night. Is maybe he's suffering from bad health, or depression, or anxiety issue. And so suddenly things were going right between you and this person. Suddenly things get changed, and tower moment come, and things fall apart, and you guys fall apart as well. And you were not expecting this in out of this person and out of this relationship. But guys, please don't worry, and if this is the case, please don't worry, and please relax, release these energies, these negative energies out of your body. Meditate, drink lots of water. If you guys are having lots of anxiety and depression, you are going through depression, I suggest you to have bay leaves water. Boil few bay leaves, and drink this water first of all in the morning. Some bay leaves, some tulsi leaves, and some black pepper, and few pieces of ginger. Only one piece or two pieces of small ginger pieces, or few cloves. Um, Dalchini, I don't know what dalchini is. So in Hindi, dalchini is matlab, this is a spices. This it's a kind of spices which we use in our food. So takes some amount of dal chini powder and create a water. Boil that water for half an hour, and when it remains a cup, when it gets when it becomes half a glass, then have it in the first drink in the morning. Have it as a first drink in the morning. You will feel relaxed and you will feel difference in your energy. You feel very you know this will release your negative energy and you feel very relaxed, and uh, you will come out of depression slowly and steadily. Have this water for at least a month and you will see visible difference. When I am having any sort of anxiety, I used to have this kind of, because bay leaves remove negativity. Ginger is also for negativity and for those who's having any sort of negative energy stored in their stomach, or because whenever we think negative about some certain situations, these things get stuck into our stomach, our brain, and we constantly keep on thinking about these things again and again. So ginger will remove your negativity, and if you are having any sort of fat, this will also remove your fat. Bay leaves are very healthy and very good for removing negative energy. And if you guys having bad dreams and any sort of anxiety issues, please keep few bay leaves below your pillow before sleeping, and you will see the difference. You will see that you are sleeping well at night, and you will feel very relaxed. So keep few bay leaves below your pillow, and you will feel the difference. So guys, if you guys had breakup and you guys mm, having tower moment, so a new start is coming, new beginning is coming for you, and definitely um, things will change, will turn in your favor. Right now, this person is very guarded and not talking to you, and it is also a possibility that this you are feeling left out in cold, and or this person is feeling left out in cold because you left him, you ghosted him, you are not talking to him because you were asking for him for commitment, and this person is not giving you, and that is why you guys having tower moment, or maybe you get to know that this person is in third party situation, or this person is already married, or it is also a possibility that this person is ignoring you because your families are not ready, and your families are fighting, or your families were fighting in the past, and you guys have a very bad fight. So take whatever resonates with you. But right now, this person is very guarded, and no cups card, only wands card. This person is really aggressive. This person is really upset, and this person is having lots of negative energies. Or it is also a possibility that this person is going through a lot of ups and downs, going through a transformation in his life, because I'm not seeing any sort of cup cards in out of all these cards which are lying on my table. Not even a single card is there. All wands cards. Definitely you are dealing with the fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Or you can be a fire sign, or both of you can be a fire sign or earth sign. It is also a possibility that this person is very egoistic, or his ego is coming in between, or maybe it is also a possibility that this person is very handsome and having lots of suitors. That is why this person is showing you tantrums. But let me check other cards as well. I can't say anything. But according to tarot, this person is really upset, going through a lot, and your situation are not very good. It is also a possibility that this person is on authoritative position or having very egoistic personality, or maybe he's having lots of option, and maybe he's very handsome and having lots of suitors. So let's see other cards as well. This person is really worried about you, because as I've told you, this person is having anxiety issues. This person is not sleeping well. If this person has not treated you well, or this person misbehaved with you, definitely this person is now worried that what are you thinking, and what are your energy, and what uh, if you are judging that person or not. This person is really worried about you, that what is going on in your life, and that is why he's having anxiety issues. Maybe this person is very rich. That is why he's because here is King of Wand. King of Wand. Maybe he's on authoritative position. He's very rich. He's having lots of suitors. Definitely, this person is very wealthy man, and that is why he's having he's very egoistic. Or it is also a possibility that you are dealing with two men. One of them is very wealthy, but you are not attracted toward that person. You are more attracted to the person you are dealing with right now, and you are confused about that person. Or it is a possibility that you are in third party situation, that person get to know, and you guys had an argument, and now you are in separation, and this person is going through anxiety, and this person is very concerned about whether you will end up marrying him or not, or you will leave him for somebody else. It is also a possibility that you are having those who are watching this video, you are in third party situation. Or maybe it is a possibility that both of you are in same gender sex. So, guys, see, I'm not in favor of any religion, caste, culture, creed, or sex. All are welcomed on my channel. So, take whatever resonate with you. So, definitely, this person, either this person trying to be wealthy man and trying to be, he is more focused on material things rather than on love or love things. And that is the reason of your fight. Or this can be the main male in your life. You are not having anyone else except this, but this person is more focused on his wealth right now. Or it is also possibility that court case or litigation cases are going on in this person's life, and that is why this person is having anxieties, but he's not telling you or not revealing you. Maybe you are dealing with a divorced man, and you get to know that he's married and his divorce is going on, and that is why you guys had fights with each other, and you guys are in separation, and this person is now guarded, or both of you are guarded. Or it is also a possibility that this person is a lawyer, or is a judge, or working in a law field, or working under a law field, under someone who's a lawyer, or he is going through any sort of litigation court cases, or maybe he's going through divorce, or maybe you guys are seeking for approval because you guys are in same gender sex. um, Take whatever resonates with you guys. But you guys love each other, and you guys were in love with each other, or you consider that person as your lover, soulmate, twin flame, and you are totally in love with that person. This person also loves you guys, because this person, see, this is a lover's card, and the lover's card denotes that first of all you are dealing with a Gemini, and this person is having any past life situationship with you, or past life connection with you, or this person loves you, but you guys are in separation due to some third party situation. Definitely, this person wants to create family with you as house is coming, or you want to create family with this person, but things are right now, things are not in your favor. So you need to be patient, and please try to sort out these things. Please try to reach that person, and try to meet him in person, and then clarify things and sort out things. If this person is not telling you what is the problem going through which he is going. What sort of a problem he's going through, please ask him, and please meet him in person, and then try to sort out things. And if this person is not treating you well in the past, definitely judgment is coming for you, and you get judgment in this relationship. This person is right now hermit mode, not expressing his feeling, not telling you anything, and realizing his mistake, and he's in guilt right now. But you guys are keeping strength in this relationship, and you and that person, both of you are manifesting each other back in each other's life. If you are not manifesting him back, definitely this person is manifesting you back in his life. So, guys, this is my reading for you. This is my analysis for you. And if you guys like my reading, please subscribe my channel. Please share my channel, and like my videos, comment below my videos, and let me know whether the things are resonating with you or not. And those who wants to gift me any sort of tarot cards, and those who wants to then give donations, your donations are most welcomed, and I will tell you my wish list, what sorts of cards I want you to gift me. Those who are interested in gifting me, I'm leaving my email address in the comment section. You can email me as well. And thank all of you. Thank you all for loving my channel, for watching my videos, for trying to be patient with me, because I'm having a throat infection. I'm not feeling well these days because climate is changing and I'm also not feeling well. So guys, thank you so much. Good night. Take care and bye bye.